our art friend. Today in Kitty Can Draw, we are going to learn how to draw Bingo from Bluey wearing a reindeer costume. First, draw an oval shape for the eye. Then a smaller oval shape inside, then color it. Draw a line coming out from the side of the eye. Then draw a big circle for the reindeer nose. Draw half an oval shape for the other eye that's partially hidden behind the nose. Then draw a small oval shape inside, then color. Draw a line coming down from the nose, going to the left and ending with a curve to make the smiley mouth. Draw a thick eyebrow over each eye. Connect the two eyebrows with a small line. Draw a tiny line on the other side for each eyebrow. Then draw the reindeer's antler, going up and having several branches, with a letter V between each branch and the other, making some long branches and some short ones. If you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe. Repeat the same step on the other side for the other antler. Draw a long line coming down from each antler to make the sides of the body. On the left side, draw two lines inside the body to make the arm. Finish it with a hand with tiny fingers. Close the body at the bottom with a horizontal line. Draw a small curve at the right side of the body for the partially hidden hand. Decorate Bingo with some lines around her mouth, eyes, and belly. Draw two lines coming down from the bottom of the body to make the leg, and finish it with the paw with two fingers. Repeat the same steps to make the other leg. Decorate the legs and the arm with a line in the middle. Draw two lines coming out from the left side of the body and connect them together with a curved zigzag line to finish the tail. Decorate it with a line in the middle. Decorate the tail and Bingo's back with half circles. Draw an upside down letter V at the top of the head. Just make it partially hidden behind the eyebrow and the antler, and another smaller one inside to make the ear. Repeat the same steps to make the other ear similarly. Incredible! Now you can draw Bingo from Bluey just as a reindeer. Now grab the colors of your choice and let's start coloring. If you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe.